Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam. I noticed a number of Bronco owners are putting covers on their rear window defrost heating element wires. The wires are pretty exposed and ugly. I guess these covers would not only clean up the look, but keep them from getting banged around and scratched. This is the popular type that I'm seeing people buy. It looks like this type will cover up and protect everything, but it looks like it will also obscure some of the window too, which I'm not crazy about. Besides this full-size type of cover, I also found some really small covers, which is what I thought I'd try. Yeah, these look really cheap, but I think I know I can make them better. I quickly used a laser at work to engrave a micro-sized Bronco rubber stamp, and then cut some pieces of MDF to use for a stamp handle. Then I put it all together. I added some white acrylic paint to just the horse and BAM! That worked like crap. A little more trial and effort, and I finally got something that was reasonably better. And now to get these bad boys installed. You know, I think adding the Bronco logo on them makes them like 1,000 times better. I bet they'll even add 5 horsepower to the Bronco too. To see if my wife thought they were the best thing ever since sliced bread, I opened up the tailgate window to get her reaction. After looking around wondering what the heck changed, I had to tell her. She looked at me in exasperation, rolled her eyes, and said, "Seriously?" Which is about what I expected, but since she didn't ask for them to be removed, I guess the verdict is... crap, this really was a stupid mod that I spent too much time and money on. Oh well, after this dumpster fire mod, I hope I'll still see you later.